G'day guys, Will here, welcome back to the channel. So today's video I am going to show you how to get a perfect launch every single time in the Porsche 911 GT3 Cup Car in iRacing. So I'm probably going to regret making this video because this is the one advantage that I do have. I certainly don't claim to be the world's expert in going fast in this car, but I do know how to get a perfect launch every time. So apologies to those of you who already know how to do this and are about to lose your advantage. I kind of hope that this video doesn't get too many views, to be honest, because I do like gaining a couple of spots off the start. But anyway, let's jump in now and I'll show you how to do it. Okay guys, so please don't call the FOV police on me. I know that my field of view is completely crazy right now. I've got this set up specifically for recording this video. So what we want to do here, we want to put our clutch so that the percentage is right at the base of the N of neutral. So you can see there about probably 40% clutch input, but if you use the bottom line of the N as your reference point, that is perfect. Now, as soon as the lights go red for the start of the race, you want to go to 100% throttle. And then as the lights go green, shift into first gear, keep your foot on the clutch, and then slowly release the clutch out. So ready, set, go. Wait for it to bite, and then slowly let the clutch out. And there you go, perfect launch. So let's try that once more for consistency's sake. So we'll shift back into neutral again. Handbrake on. Okay, so clutch to about 40%, base of the N there. Lights are red, 100% throttle. And green. There we go. We're going to slide off into the grass here. Let's go back the other way. We'll do it in reverse here. One more try. So the trick with the clutch is, yeah, you don't actually, as soon as you launch, you don't want to let the clutch out at all. You want to wait until you sort of hear the revs go, it sounds funny, but that's what you need to do. So I'll show you one more time here. Ready? So 40%, bottom of the N, 100% throttle, and green. Clutch out. There we go. So one more. 40% clutch, bottom of the N, 100% throttle, and green. And clutch out. Perfect. So if you get it all 100% right, the start of your race should look something like this.
The air temp is 28.
Alright, here we go.
B20. Alright, well, be ready. Watch for the lights. Go, go, go.
Okay guys, so just a quick video for you today, but hopefully that is something that you can apply in your future races to get the perfect launch every single time. So hit the thumbs up button if you found this video useful. Make sure you're subscribed and hit the notification bell as well so you don't miss the next one. And I'll see you guys again soon. Bye.